I lift up my eyes to the mountains. Where will my help come from? My help comes from Jehovah, the one who made heaven and earth. He will never allow your foot to slip. The one guarding you will never grow drowsy. Yes, the one guarding Israel will never grow drowsy nor sleep. Jehovah is guarding you. Jehovah is a protective shade at your right hand. By day the sun will not harm you, nor the moon by night. Jehovah will guard you from all harm. He will guard your life. Jehovah will guard you in all you do. From now on and forever I rejoice. He will guard you in all you do. From now on and forever I rejoiced when they said to me, let us go to the house of Jehovah. And now our feet are standing inside your gates. Oh Jerusalem, Jerusalem is built as a city that is compact and united. The tribes go up to it, the tribes of Jah, according to the law given to Israel, to give thanks to the name of Jehovah. For there the thrones of judgment were established. The thrones of the house of David pray for the peace of Jerusalem. Oh, say, those who love you will be secure. May peace continue within your walls, security within your fortified towers. For the sake of my brothers and my companions, I will say, may there be peace within you, O city. For the sake of the house of Jehovah, our God, I will seek your good. I lift up my eyes to you, who are enthroned in the heavens. Just as the eyes of servants look to the hand of their master, and the eyes of a servant girl to the hand of her mistress, so our eyes look to Jehovah, our God, until he shows us favor. Show us favor, O Jehovah, show us favor, for we have had our fill of contempt. We have had our fill of the mockery of the self-assured, and the contempt of the arrogant. If Jehovah had not been with us, let Israel now say, if Jehovah had not been with us, when men rose up against us, they would have swallowed us alive in their burning anger against us. The waters would have swept us away, the torrent would have gone over us, the raging waters would have overwhelmed us. Praise be to Jehovah, for he did not give us as prey to their teeth. We are like a bird that escaped from the trap of the hunter. The trap was broken and we escaped. Our help is in the name of Jehovah, the one who made heaven and earth. Those who trust in Jehovah are like Mount Zion, which cannot be shaken, but endures forever. Just as the mountains surround Jerusalem, so Jehovah surrounds his people from now on and forever. The scepter of wickedness will not remain upon the land given to the righteous, so that the righteous do not turn to do what is wrong. O Jehovah, do good to those who are good, to those who are upright in heart. But as for those...
At that time it was said among the nations, Jehovah has done wonderful things for them. Yes, Jehovah has done wonderful things for us, and we are filled with joy. Bring back our captives, O Jehovah, like the streams of the Negev. Those who sow with tears will reap with shouts of joy. The one who goes out weeping, carrying his bag of seed, will surely return with shouts of joy, carrying his sheaves. Unless Jehovah builds the house, the builders labor at it in vain. Unless Jehovah guards the city, it is in vain that the guard stays awake. In vain you rise up early and stay up late, working hard for food to eat, for he provides for his loved ones and grants them rest. Look, sons are an inheritance from Jehovah. The fruit of the womb is a reward. Like arrows in the hand of a warrior, so are the sons of one's youth. Happy is the man who fills his quiver with them. They will not be put to shame. hands have worked hard to produce. You will be happy and it will go well with you. Your wife will be like a fruitful vine within your house. Your sons like olive shoots around your table. This is how the man who fears Jehovah will be blessed from Zion. Jehovah will bless you. May you see the prosperity of Jerusalem all the days of your life, and may you see your children's children. May peace be upon Israel. From my youth they have attacked me constantly. Let Israel now say, from my youth they have attacked me constantly, but they have not prevailed against me. They plowed upon my back, they made long furrows. But Jehovah is righteous, he cut the ropes of the wicked. They will be ashamed and turn back in disgrace. All those who hate Zion, they will become like the grass that grows on the rooftops, which withers before it is pulled up, which does not fill the hands of the reaper, nor the arms of the one who gathers sheaves. No passerby will say, may the blessing of Jehovah be upon you. We bless you in the name of Jehovah. From the depths I call to you, O Jehovah. O Jehovah, hear my voice. May your ears pay attention to my pleas for help. If you kept watch of errors, O Jehovah can stand. But with you there is true forgiveness, so that you may be revered. I put my hope in Jehovah, my whole being hopes in him. I wait for his word, I wait eagerly for Jehovah. More than watchmen wait for the morning. Yes, more than watchmen for the morning. Let Israel keep waiting for Jehovah. For Jehovah is loyal in his love and has great power of redemption. He will redeem Israel from all his errors. O Jehovah, my heart is not proud, nor are my eyes arrogant, nor do I seek things too great, or things beyond my reach. No, but I have calmed and quieted my soul, like a weaned child with its mother. I am content like a weaned child. Quieted my soul like a weaned child with its mother. I am content like a weaned child.
Let Israel wait for Jehovah from now on and forever. O Jehovah, remember David and all his suffering, how he swore to Jehovah and made a vow to the powerful one of Jacob. I will not enter my tent, my own house. I will not lie on my bed, my resting place. I will not let my eyes sleep, nor my eyelids slumber, until I find a place for Jehovah, an excellent dwelling for the powerful one of Jacob.
We heard of it in Ephrata, we found it in the region of the forest. Let us enter his dwelling place. Let us bow down at his footstool. Rise up, O Jehovah, and come to your resting place. You and the ark of your strength, may your priests be clothed with righteousness, and may your loyal ones shout for joy. For the sake of David, your servant, do not reject your anointed one. Jehovah swore an oath to David, he will surely not go back on his word. I will place on your throne one of your descendants. If your sons keep my covenant and observe my decrees that I will teach them, then their sons also will sit on your throne forever. For Jehovah has chosen Zion, he has desired it as his dwelling, saying, this is my resting place forever. Here I will dwell, for this is my desire. I will richly bless her provisions, I will satisfy her poor with bread. Her priest I will clothe with salvation, and her loyal ones will shout for joy. There I will call
cause the strength of David to grow. I have prepared a lamp for my anointed one. His enemies I will clothe with shame, but on his head his crown will flourish. Look how good and how pleasant it is for brothers to dwell together in unity. It is like the precious oil poured out on the head, running down on the beard of Aaron, that runs down unto the collar of his garment. It is like the dew of Hermon that descends upon the mountains of Zion. There Jehovah decree his blessing, life everlasting. Praise Jehovah. All you servants of Jehovah, you who serve by night in the house of Jehovah, lift up your hands in holiness and praise Jehovah. May Jehovah, the maker of heaven and earth, bless you from Zion. Praise Jah, praise the name of Jehovah, all for praise.
He defeated many nations and killed mighty kings. Sion, king of the Amorites, O king of Bashan, and all the kingdoms of Canaan he gave their land as an inheritance to Israel his people. O Jehovah, your name endures forever. O Jehovah, your fame lasts for all generations. For Jehovah will defend his people and show compassion to his servants. The idols of the nations are silver and gold, the work of human hands. They have mouths but cannot speak, eyes but cannot see. They have ears but cannot hear. There is no breath in their mouth. Those who make them will become just like them, and so will all who trust in them. O house of Israel, praise Jehovah. O house of Aaron, praise Jehovah. O house of Levi, praise Jehovah. You who fear Jehovah, praise Jehovah. May Jehovah be praised in Zion. He who resides in Jerusalem, praise Jah. Your neighbor raised in Zion, he who resides in Jerusalem, praise Jah. O Jehovah, your name endures forever. O Jehovah, your fame lasts for all generations. For Jehovah will defend his people, show compassion to his servants. The idols of the nations are silver and gold, the work of human hands. They have mouths but cannot speak, eyes but cannot see. They have ears but cannot hear. There is no breath in their mouth. Those who make